Hi guys, it's Dee. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I thought I'd do a wee vlog. I'm going kayaking today with my friends, which should be really fun. We've got it booked for I think it's 11:30. So I'm getting picked up at about 10:40, and we're going to drive there. I'm looking forward to it. It should be good. It's a good wee day out. I'm not long up. Well, when I say up, I mean that's me just moved out my bed. I've actually been up since 4 o'clock because that noise for upstairs, so I just couldn't sleep. So I'm going to go and get a shower. I'm going to get washed. I was going to wash my hair, but then I thought, what's the point in washing my hair, because it's just going to get wet. So I thought, okay, right, I'll wash my hair when I'm home. So yeah, I'm going to go in a shower, going to get myself sorted, and I'll check back in. So I've been showered, did my facial routine. My face is shiny. I'm just waiting Shazza picking us up, and then I'll vlog on the route there, or when we get there. I'll try to remember, because I've got 100 things going on now, so I need to remember. So that's us arrived at Loch Lomond. We're just waiting on Hannah and Holly. Erin's playing the fucking tunes. So we're here, so we're just going to go and get ready and get set up, and then we're good to go. I need to pee. Where's Shannon? She's running there somewhere, you'll see her in a minute.
Getting some fresh air.
She's getting some fresh air. She's airing out a poontang. They're in. Duck, hide, quick. You don't want to be in my vlog. How nice. The water. Get down to the water. Got my Volvic. How nice is the water? The canoes. So we're out in the canoe. As you can see, I already fell in. I was pushing my canoe and I fell. Erin and Shannon over there, they're sharing a canoe. They get stuck in the rocks. Wave, hi! So I've already fell in. I'm fucking soaking. It's a bit chalky on the water. A bit chalky. Hannah and Gio are over there somewhere. Holly, give a wave! Holly's over there. If you can see her. She's speedy, she's off. Shannon and Erin are the slow coaches. But aye, it's really nice. The water's chalky, but it's good. Get my life jacket on. So, they've got the tunes on. Found this wee area, how cute. Ditched the canoes. Hannah's up in the fucking tree. Hannah's doing a wee photo shoot. So I've been on this canoe for about half an hour now, just to realise I had my paddle the wrong way. That explains why my boat's been going all different directions. But it's such a nice day. I mean, look at the water. The sun's coming out, the water's like sparkling. It's so nice. There's like a cool wee plane over there. I'm actually soaking and I'm floating away. Look how nice the water is. They're all over there. The bitches. Shannon's, she's gone far. She's gone far. No! Oh my god! Shannon's, she's gone far. She's gone far. No! Oh my god! I fronted, we are walking through Fraser's. Absolutely soaking. Me and Shannon are fucking soaking wet.
Right. You need to swap your phone.
That'll be him, he's not even left yet.
I leaned over to go and it just toppled.
Right.
Shannon's, she's gone far. She's gone far. No! Oh my god! Shannon's, she's gone far. She's gone far. So that's us out the kayaking now. I've got dry, fresh, clean clothes on. Time to head home. Thanks everybody for watching this vlog. I hope everyone has an amazing weekend and a good week. Stay gorgeous.